6. Came home, paid 20 for the whole brick. Then I put 100 rounds in a whole stick. Dark low shotgun with a 4/5. OBH Goonie Gang, who I roll with. Wartime, my nigga Murder, who I go get. Full clip, 4/5, make him forfeit. I kill anybody that you go get. You can't come to your hood, but I run mine. I got 100 chiefs on my front line. Barbecue a whole bird when it's lunchtime. It come with 10 bullet holes if you want mine. 13 bullet holes, I done died twice. They wanna see a nigga dead and they tried twice. Looking at my life, only cried twice. When my mom died, when Snap died. Nigga, I'ma ride till they kill me. All I know is homicide till they kill me. Take a walk in my life, see the real me. Got shot 10 times, I was still me. All my niggas gon' ride if they kill me. 20 deep on the block and they filthy. Everybody gon' die if they kill me. Them niggas bring it to your mom if you kill me. Kill me. My first home invasion, it was 2 bricks. The day before, only had 2 nicks. My cousin not scheme, he foolish. He robbed niggas that he